Check this out.
Yeah, I'm down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. Yeah, I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why.
Hello and what's up guys, I'm actually here outside a place called Tim Hortons. It is raining like mad out here, and the reason I'm here is because I've got long lost cousins I haven't ever seen before, and here's my mom's cousin coming around right now. So we're gonna go inside and grab some Tim Hortons. I don't know what they do, but we're gonna find out very shortly. Okay, let's find out inside. I have no idea what's going on, but anywho, the Tim Hortons place sells, oh actually it's Wendy's, oh okay, I get what it is. So this place is like a little mini food place. So they got Wendy's over here, and they've also got the place itself, Tim Hortons over there. I have no idea what people are staring at me, as always. Right, let's find out where we're going. Cool. Tim Hortons, what we're getting, Adil?
Yeah, ice cap, probably.
Ice cappuccino, that should do. We're gonna get a mix, and I'm looking forward to it. Oh my god, the lighting here is pretty good, man. God damn. Shit. Let me show you guys exactly the menu, man. This is pretty sick. I am very much looking forward to this. Very much looking forward to this. Dessert is much needed. I've been here for 3 days. No dessert in sight, except for today. I've got myself a pack of 20. Right, here we go. So this is an iced cappuccino, and I can firmly say that this tastes very bad. Please don't get it.
Oh my god. Look at it, she's stopping you, man.
Please don't ever get this. That's it guys, I enjoyed my time at Tim Hortons having those little donuts. It was very, very nice, believe it or not. Tomorrow is another day in paradise, and it's raining, believe it or not. I don't know where you can see that. Actually, let me head outside. It's probably better if I head outside and you guys can see exactly what the weather's like. God damn, you can catch the rain. Jeez. Right, I think that's it for today. I'm just gonna skip right to tomorrow. Good morning from Canada. As you can see, it is sunny outside, but don't be fooled, it is still 1 degree. So I've got my scarf to keep me nice and warm. The plan for today is go to Niagara Falls, as you can tell from the title of the video. I don't know what the accent there was, but bear in mind guys, that's a swimming pool. How sick is that? Like outside the flat there's like a swimming pool that the residents in the flat can use. That is pretty dope. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab my equipment, pack my bag, jump in the car, play some music. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hour journey, excluding traffic, excluding the pit stop and everything. And hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm gonna be there in 2 hours. I'm gonna grab a drone and hopefully fly it over, and hopefully not drop it inside the waterfall, because then I'm gonna have to swim, and I don't think that's gonna be possible. Yeah. So without further ado, I'm gonna go grab my stuff and see you guys in the car. And if I don't talk in the car, see you guys at Niagara Falls. Peace. Right guys, Niagara Falls is here. Let me quickly show you. I'm gonna show you the drone shots in a bit, but before I do that, mate, what a view. That right there is because all the water's kind of, yeah. And then there's a smaller bit over there, but this is sick. It is cold, can you see? There's like snow, and there's bits that are still frozen over there. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm gonna try and get my drone up there and hopefully keep it as far away as possible from the water that's like in the center over there. Right, I know you guys are probably wondering why I still haven't shown you guys the waterfall and, you know, the drone shots. Well, the reason being is it's raining like mad outside and the drone's not waterproof. Let me show you. I don't think the window will do it justice, but it is crazy outside. So even look, oh god, let me switch sides. So even when I'm using this camera right now, I couldn't vlog outside because the rain is like, it's not even heavy rain, it's one of those little drizzly brizzly rain kind of type. And we're just waiting inside. We're gonna grab a Starbucks and hang tight for now until hopefully, fingers crossed, before sunset it stops raining. And if not, then I'm gonna have to come back here tomorrow because I really do want to get some drone point of view, bird's eye view shots. If you ever come here, make sure you dress warm. Dress warm, yeah, wear some big warm clothes. It's literally, well, that's the small one, the other one's there, hence the misty look. Anywho, waiting game begins now. I can't feel my fingers! Bloody hell! Oh my days, like, look how red they are. Oh, that's how cold it is over here, guys. If you're planning to vlog like I am and it's not even fully winter time, then with lots of snow and everything, then honestly you're probably gonna get hypothermia or something. You need to wear some gloves if you're gonna use some vlogging or drone stuff. Honestly, I can't feel my hands, my fingers, they're completely stinging. You know them kind of stinging where if you put hot water over it or warm water over it, it's gonna sting even further. So I'm in that kind of dilemma at the moment right now. Okay, so some cool drone shots then, and I think we're gonna go back to the car, and I'm not sure what the plan is right now. I might take up my drone back into the sky just over there. There's a nice little big tower over there, and see how high it goes over there, but that's just the plan in theory. I don't know how much I can handle anymore, because honestly, look at that, man. The shit I do for, excuse my French, the things I do for a good shot. It's the shot that matters, honestly. If you're a creative content creator like me, a videographer like me, that honestly, the one thing that matters most is the shot. The shot is all that matters. Anyway, I'm waffling way too much. My lips are hurting, my hands are hurting. Got a dry throat. I'm gonna go into the car and I'm gonna take it from there. Right, that's the fill plan, guys. Unfortunately, I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the Niagara Falls. I'm sorry I couldn't get as much drone shots as I wanted. The reason being, it started raining like mad and my drone is not waterproof, nor is my vlogging camera or any of the other stuff except for my GoPro. But like the amazing person like I am, I didn't bring any battery for my GoPro, which made it fully useless. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was a very quick vlog to Niagara, I don't know how to pronounce it anymore, Falls. It's crazy. It's right over there. We've got two sides. It's like in the border between America and Canada. And I am definitely not going to take this icy path. I'm not going to risk it because I've got my backpack right there, and there it's full of camera equipment. As you saw at the start of this vlog, I'm running out of breath now, and the sky's turning dark, which means sun's already gone down. I'm gonna go into the car. I hope you guys watch this. I hope you guys like this vlog, and as always, follow me on my journeys. I really love it when you guys support me and drop me a comment, man. Honestly. Drop a comment down below what you thought of Niagara, or whatever it is, Falls. Until next time, guys, peace.